For at least another 4 years, the United States will still be short about 300,000 factory workers and 600,000 warehouse workers, which is more positive than the lack of soldiers on the battlefield. Donald Trump's re-election gives Elon Musk a huge advantage with his economic stimulus strategy, and Optimus Gen 3 will appear more than ever.
So my guess is humanoid robots are more like at a billion plus per year.
It's no coincidence that Tesla is confident that they have the most advanced humanoid robot in the world. So, what can Tesla's Optimus do after leaving the factory? How will it shape the future market? Let's find out. How Tesla Optimus could revolutionize the real estate industry. With a stable annual growth rate of 3.34% from 2024 to 2029, the U.S. real estate market is not only set to maintain its stability, but also unlock compelling long-term investment opportunities. By 2029, the market is expected to reach a value of $155.6 billion, driven by the introduction of Tesla Optimus, the first humanoid home assistant capable of enhancing property value through an improved living experience. Imagine a luxury home where Optimus doesn't just greet guests, but also conducts virtual property tours, handles daily tasks like cleaning, manages security, and assists with scheduling. With such integration, high-end homes will not only be 80% more attractive, but also set a new standard for comfort and innovation. What's truly remarkable is that Optimus, once a luxury exclusive, will soon be accessible and widespread, thanks to rapid advancements in AI. Priced competitively from just $20,000, Optimus has the potential to become as essential in homes as smartphones are today. In the next 5 to 10 years, smart home systems featuring Optimus will be capable of managing every aspect of a home, from temperature, lighting, and security, to scheduling and real-time maintenance updates. This not only brings convenience and time-saving benefits for homeowners, but also increases property values, creating a clear competitive edge in the real estate market. It's projected that the smart real estate market will reach an astounding $30 trillion by 2040, with approximately 63 million Optimus units in use by 2050. Real estate developers will capitalize on Optimus as a critical selling point, especially for tech-savvy, high-net-worth buyers who seek innovation and convenience in their homes. For example, imagine purchasing a mid-range luxury villa in California valued at $1.2 million, complete with basic amenities. But if this home is integrated with a smart home system featuring Optimus, its value could increase by 15% to 25%, pushing its price to $1.3 to $1.5 million. This strategy aligns perfectly with the current trend, where a home is no longer just a place to live, but becomes a complete automated technology ecosystem. Picture this: you have an important appointment and can't drive. Simply notify Optimus, and it will automatically call a robo-taxi for you, ensuring safety and convenience. Integration with Tesla products not only saves time, but optimizes the experience, as Optimus learns your schedule and device usage habits via its AI neural network. Plus, you can easily control everything remotely through the Tesla app. What enables Optimus to automatically update and integrate new information? Automakers, including Tesla, have long integrated internet connectivity into their vehicles, and the same is true for Optimus. Tesla initially started with 3G connectivity, then upgraded to 4G LTE. However, now we know that Tesla is accelerating the process of upgrading to 5G. Tesla has a clear strategy to deploy its own private network within its production facilities, allowing it to maintain a constant connection with its products, vehicles, and Optimus robots. This move is a conscious effort by Tesla to minimize its reliance on third-party networks, as external providers could increase costs and delay the performance of Optimus in the future. While Tesla may deploy its private 5G network within production or internal facilities, it is safe to assume that Optimus will also have the ability to connect to external public networks. This is a crucial step in expanding Tesla's connectivity capabilities, allowing devices to function in real-world environments without being restricted by the limits of private networks. This ensures that Optimus can receive software updates and optimizations anywhere with access to Wi-Fi or LTE. Furthermore, The upgrade to 5G brings significant advantages over 4G, especially in terms of latency and data transfer speed. The latency of 5G can be as low as 5 milliseconds, compared to 60 to 98 milliseconds on 4G. This drastically improves Optimus's ability to respond to situations more quickly and interact with connected devices with minimal delay. Each software update for Optimus not only optimizes its current functions but also expands its knowledge base, enhances its environmental awareness, and improves its ability to react to new situations or interact with humans more effectively. Updates can also include security patches that help protect Optimus Gen 3 from external threats, ensuring that the robot operates in a secure and safe environment. These security patches address vulnerabilities in the robot's software or hardware, ensuring that data and systems are safeguarded against exploitation. This is especially crucial for applications where robots work with sensitive data or in high-security environments, such as hospitals, manufacturing plants, or the homes of high-net-worth individuals. For example, if Optimus detects that a door has been left open when no one is home, it can immediately send an alert to the homeowner's phone. In the case of a break-in, Optimus could also activate security systems like cameras or alarms. Additionally, as Optimus continuously updates its knowledge, it could even help answer questions from children or respond to inquiries more accurately. Machine learning updates happen seamlessly and daily, optimizing the robot's performance and ensuring it adapts quickly to evolving tasks and challenges. How does Optimus solve the problem of manpower shortage? Currently, the manufacturing sector is facing a shortage of about 300,000 workers, and a similar labor gap exists in warehousing and logistics, with approximately 600,000 to 700,000 jobs unfilled. The idea of robots isn't new, but why the sudden, intense focus on them? The driving force behind this surge is the significant advancements in artificial intelligence in recent years. Elon Musk isn't the only one who believes humanoid robots can change the world. Investors are pouring millions of dollars into robotic startups, with the market expected to reach $38 billion by 2035. This explains why, every month, we see new robotics companies emerging from North America to China. By automating various tasks and processes, Optimus can fill the gaps in the workforce, ensuring steady production output and boosting productivity. Optimus is already proving its effectiveness at Tesla's factories, increasing productivity by an average of 20% per day. As other companies witness the cost-cutting and efficiency improvements Optimus brings to Tesla's operations, they are likely to adopt similar robotic systems. This widespread adoption could increase overall productivity by up to 70%, addressing the labor shortages that are affecting various industries. Elon Musk has made bold predictions that Tesla's Optimus robot could drive the company's market value up to $25 trillion, becoming a dominant force in Tesla's long-term value, with demand potentially reaching 10 to 20 billion units. Tesla could become the largest robotics company in the world. While this could stimulate economic growth, it also raises concerns about income inequality, as automation could replace certain jobs, causing anxiety for the current workforce. In our view, the arrival of Optimus represents a breakthrough far beyond the smartphone or today's home cleaning robots. The reality is, whenever new smart devices emerge, they create new job opportunities, requiring a shift in mindset and an embrace of technological progress. This means that the skills required for human workers must evolve, becoming more specialized and professional to drive productivity. In turn, this will not only accelerate the development of AI technology, but also elevate the quality of the workforce. However, to mitigate the risks of widespread AI robot deployment, Tesla must manage its implementation carefully, including providing clear usage guidelines, controlling access, and ensuring maintenance to prevent potential threats. Therefore, Tesla's strategy is not just about creating robots for production, it's about building a safe and sustainable robotics ecosystem. Musk plans to have Optimus robots working in Tesla factories by the end of 2024, handling tasks alongside human workers. This trial run aims to get the robots up and running in controlled industrial environments, so Tesla can iron out the details before Optimus reaches the public. By late 2025, Musk expects to open up orders for companies outside Tesla. Starting in 2026, Optimus is expected to enter mass production, with a target of producing around 1,000 units in 2025, gradually scaling up thereafter. Elon Musk's vision for the future? A world where robots like Optimus could transform entire industries by taking over tasks ranging from manufacturing and warehouse operations to eventually household chores like cooking and cleaning. But the big question remains: can Optimus truly replace human labor in industries, or is it merely a powerful tool designed to assist? And on a more personal note, would you be ready to purchase a smart home equipped with an Optimus assistant? As Tesla moves forward with this ambitious plan, can they successfully manage the complexities of AI control and mitigate the potential risks that come with large-scale deployment? Thank you for watching our video. If you found this content helpful and want to explore more exciting information about Tesla electric vehicles, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to TechnoCreator and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.